Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today I'm going to show you all how to draw a collection of potion bottles. So maybe these potions belong to a witch, maybe they are something she's working on for some spells, I don't know. But I'll show you how to draw some. So before we get started, I'd like to mention, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. It really helps out the channel. All right, so I am going to start with, I'm going to start actually over here, and I'm going to draw one potion bottle that's tipped over, and maybe it's spilling out some potion. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to start over on this side. Do a bit of a curved line. It's going to be the bottom of the bottle. And come on over, narrow that in, give it a bottleneck. And then I'm going to work on this other side too to try to even it up. Now, I'm going to, not quite a straight line here. It's not quite a straight line. It's a bit of a rounded line. So this is the very top of the bottle now. So I'm not going to complete that line there. I want to leave some room here because I'm going to draw the potion kind of spilling out a little bit. So coming from the bottle, we're going to do a little wavy line. There's going to be a bit of potion coming out. Now we can finish off that bottle. Okay, now on the inside here, draw a line, do a little curve like that. Like that. Now I'm going to put some a few bubbles here in our magic potion. Just some air bubbles. So different sizes all over the place. Maybe some bubbles are floating up. Like that. And I'm going to do a little curved line here because that's like the other side of the bottle. Alrighty, so now what about, I'm gonna give this part here some like spooky steam. Maybe this is like a very poisonous potion, and maybe these are just like some steamy danger signs here. Like if I saw weird steam like this coming from a liquid, I would probably stay away. And I'm gonna give it a few stars too. I think that helps to add to a bit of a magical feeling. Another one right here. Okay, now I'm going to do some potions in the back. But first I'm going to draw the, yeah, I'm going to draw a straight line here. And put it through. It's going to be like the table that it's on. Okay. So now I'm going to draw some potion bottles in the back. So I'm going to start right here and do a little curve. And it's going to be the top of a bottle. Like that. And I'm gonna give this some spooky steam too. And a couple stars. Makes it feel more magic-y. Okay, so from this bottle top here, we're gonna go down and wide. Down, curve, curve, wide. Like that. And now I'm going to draw across around it. And I'm gonna make a little label here. I'm gonna give it like a skull and crossbones kind of thing. So kind of like a C shape here. And then flat. So almost kind of like a mushroomy shape. And an eye, another eye, little nose, straight line for a mouth, and then the teeth. Now I'm going to give them little crossbones. And then we'll finish off that label. And we will draw a little line here, curve it, okay? And now this is going to be the potion that's inside this bottle. I'm going to put a few bubbles in here too. Floating up to the top. Okay, and I'll do another potion bottle over here. So it started the same way I started with the other ones, kind of like a C shape, but on its back. And this one I'm going to give it a stopper. So we're going to come up and do like a cylinder, or an oval, sorry. And little lines like that. And then nice and wide. And now I'm going to put the potion in it, so like an oval. And now follow the sides of the bottle. And I'm going to give this a star here, and a couple bubbles. And I think maybe I'll give it one more potion here in the back. So I'm going to give this one a stopper as well. So same thing we did last time. And give this one a bit of a longer neck. And I'm going to give this bottle a handle. So I just made a shape like that. And like that. And we're going to put some liquid inside this. And I'm going to give that some bubbles too. And I'm going to, of course, add a few more stars. Alright, so I think this is going to be really, really cute when it's all colored. Okay, folks, so I'm going to color everything in now, and we'll probably time-lapse this part, so it might take a little bit longer to color in than usual because there's so many details, but we'll speed this up along, and you can feel free to color along with me. You can choose any colors you want to. Don't feel like you have to stick with the colors that I'm picking. It's all up to you. Just have fun. Alright everybody, so I hope you enjoyed our witchy, spooky potion drawing. I hope you had fun drawing today, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright everybody, thanks for joining me. Have a good day. Bye!